Hello students, and second problem, the circle of radius is 4 centimeter. Angle between the tangent is 60 degrees given, and draw two tangent to the circle at the end of the radii. Here angle between the tangent is 60 degrees given, not they given the what angle between the radii. Therefore you can read this sentence carefully. Okay, if the angle between the tangent is 60 degree means what, angle between the radii and angle between the tangent, what they are, the inclined the angle, sum of these angles become a what, 180 degree. Sum of these angles is become a 180 degree. Therefore here the angle between the tangents means this between the tangent of the angles is given, that is 60 degree. They are not mentioning the radii, angle between the radii is not given. Therefore so we are needed to what, angle between the radii. How do you find out the angle between the radii? Is angle between the radii can be calculating. So 180 you can subtract the whatever they given the what angle between the tangent, you subtract it to obtaining what, 120 degree. What is indicate 120 degree? 120 is the angle between the radii. So in the question there, what is the given here? In the question is angle between the tangent is given. Therefore don't be confusing in an examination. So you can read the questions and you can understood about the what the angle is given, whether the angle between the radii is given or angle between the tangent is given. If the angle between the radii, directly you can construct the what, circles. Okay, if therefore here the angle between the radii is how much is, angle between the radii is 120 degree. So okay, so we are construct the what, tangent. So you can first you can take the radius, circle of radius is how much is 4 centimeter by using the scale. So you can take the circle of radius is how much is 4 centimeter. Circle of radius is 4 centimeter. Okay, you can write here circle of radius is 4 centimeter. Circle of radius is 4 centimeter, and draw the first one radius is, first one radius OA is the radius. OA is the radius. What is the angle between the radii is? Angle between the radii is 120 degrees. 120 degrees. You can use the protractor. The protractor of the midpoint you can place it at the center of the circle, and 0 degrees. The 0 degree of the protractor you can lies on the radius. Lies on the radius like this. Okay, and so you can make the angle is how much is 120 degree, not at 60 degrees. Okay, so start from 0, 10, 20, 30, 40 up to 120 here. Understood? So you can count from 0 degree to 120 degree. Okay, the next one is you obtaining another radius. OB is the another radius. Angle between this radius is how much is 120 degree. 120. The next one, we are draw the tangent at the end of this radius. Okay, at the end of this radii. Okay, A is the center with a suitable radius. With a suitable radius, you are draw the what, semicircles at the end of this both radii. OA as well as OB. OA as well as OB. Like this you can draw the what, semicircles. Draw the semicircle. Then after we draw the semicircle, so you can take the semicircle of the radius, like this, and again you can draw the two arc on this semicircle, okay, like this. Same as it is here also. Draw the two arc. Okay, in the semicircle of the first arc, without changing this arc of the length. Understood? You can draw the what, another circle, another arc, and put the second arc of the second arc of this semicircle and cut this one is previous arc. Okay, those both two arc are intersecting, so you are obtaining a what? Tangents. You are obtaining a tangents. Okay, obtaining a tangent. And next one is, and same as it is here in the circle of radius is OB, and you can take the two arc. In the first arc again you can draw the one arc like this, and second arc of this semicircle, put the compass and cut the what? Previous arc. Okay, previous arc. So you on this two arc intersecting, the point we are obtaining, and that point to the end of the radius, you can line join it to obtaining what? Second tangent. So you can produce it, you can produce these two tangents. We are easily to obtaining a what? The angle between the tangent is 60 degree. You can check this one is whether the angle between the tangent is 60 degree or not. So here is we verifying that are you obtaining an angle between the tangent is 60 degree or not. So 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60 degree. So it is 60 degree we are obtaining. Like this we are construct this type of the questions, construct this type of the problems. Hello students, again we are start the what? Another two problems. That two problems will also ask the examination, but the questions is important. So you can read the questions and don't be confusing about the questions. Read carefully and understood about the what? How did we have construct the tangents to the circles? How did they ask the questions? Where did the confusing points they are given? So you can read the first question is, draw a circle of radius is 6 cm, construct a tangent to it from a point 3 cm away from the circle. So here that is the external point, that point which is away from the what? Circle is 3 cm. Same as it is here, the circle of diameter is 6 cm is circle of diameter. If it is diameter is 6 cm, you know that the circle of radius is 3 cm. And after you are construct the tangent, but the point is means what? The external point is it from a point 6 cm, which is away from the center. Here the away from the center is mentioning, and here is the away from the circle is given. So therefore that external point is away from the circle, away from the center. You can read these points. Regarding about these points you can construct the diagrams. Understood? So we are draw the what? Circle. So circle of radius is how much is given? Circle of diameter is 6 cm. Therefore the radius is how much is? 3 cm. Circle of radius is how much is? 3 cm. So we take the measurement from the scales. That is the circle of radius is 3 cm, and after we are construct the what? Circle of radius is 3 cm. Okay. Circle of radius is 3. O is the center of the circle. Okay. O is the center of the circle. The next one is the external point is which is away from the circle. Means what? So here the circle of radius is 3 cm. And away from the circle means the external point, it must be away from the what? Circle. Away from the circle means how much it is? 3 cm. It if the circle of radius is 3 centimeter, circle of radius is 3 centimeter, because of diameter is 6 centimeter, their half is become a what? Radius. Therefore circle of radius is 3 centimeter. The external point which is away from the circle, so you can, the external point you can take the length from the circles. And second point, if the external point which is away from the center means what? You can take the length, from the what? Center to the external point, it should be what? 6 centimeter. If it is away from the center is 7 centimeter, from the center of the circle you can take the 7 centimeter. Understood? So here you can understanding these 2 points, you can understood about the what? These 2 points and solve the problems. Okay, after we are external point, we are drawing the external point. So A is the external point, O is the center of the circles, and you can take the length, which is more than half of this length, OA length. So you can take the compass length, that compass length become a what? More than half of the OA, and draw the arc above and below. So without changing this length, without changing this one is, you can put the point on the what? Center of the circle and cut the what? Previous arc and line join it, okay, and line join it. So you can, whether you can draw the line dotted lines, or in case of draw the straight lines also. Okay, and next one is, this is the M is the what? Midpoint of the OA. M we are obtaining a midpoint of OA. Understood? Midpoint of OA, and you can take the length of OA or MA or OM. You can take the length of OM or MA, and you can draw the what? Again circles, again full circles. Okay, again full circles. Okay, these 2 circles, so these 2 circles intersecting at the point, these 2 circles intersecting here, these 2 circles intersecting at the point, you can mentioning the name as P and Q, and line join it A to P. This is indicate the what? Tangent. That tangent is drawn from an external point to the circles. Okay, and QA is the another one. Okay. This is the way of we are construct the tangent from an external